In this video, I'm sharing an autumn buttercream cake design with beautiful fall colors. The dusty rose of the hydrangea is made with a 3-to-1 ratio of red and brown. This is beet powder. I made this by drying beets in the oven and pulverizing them into a powder. You can use it to color buttercream and also bean paste. The next color that I'm trying to achieve is a bluish purple. Start with a small amount of blue and then add a little bit of pink buttercream. Now for the yellow, I'm using a Buttercup Yellow. It's pre-mixed by Wilton. Then add regular yellow to brighten it. Make a few small parchment cones. If you need to see how to make them, follow the link at the end of the video or in the box below. The yellow bag does not need a tip. The dusty rose goes into this cone fitted with a number 103 or a number 104 petal tip. The next bag has the light blue, purple, and no tip. You may need to snip the tip to make a small opening. I had a bunch of leftover colored frosting from a previous fall cake for piping leaves and stems. Now you can use moss green, reds, yellows, oranges, and browns in various combinations for fall leaves. The cake is being frosted with my favorite Italian meringue buttercream. If you want the recipe plus more of my favorite buttercream recipes, click the link below to visit my website for a free download. Please enjoy the decorating, and if you have any questions about what I'm doing in the video, just leave me a little comment underneath the video and I will get back to you. Thanks so much. Wedding Cakes For You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. If you like my videos, please click the subscribe link and don't forget to click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And also every Wednesday I do a live demonstration around 11:45 Eastern Standard Time. So I hope to see you there, and thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.